Phonics. Sounds and letters. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say. Then read and number 1 or 2.
Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Head, head.
Head, head.
Number 2. Read, read.
Read, read.
Now listen, read, and number. Feather, feather. Peach, peach. Meat, meat. Bread, bread.
Feather, feather. Bread, bread. Peach, peach. Meat, meat.
Good. Let's do it again and check.
Phonics. Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say. Then match with U or UE.
Are you ready? Let's start. U says, tub. And U says, ooh, tube.
U says, tub. And U says, ooh, tube.
Tub, tub. Tube, tube. Cup, cup. Cube, cube. Uniform, uniform. Bus, bus. Duck, duck. Huge, huge. Now listen and match.
Cup, cup. Cube, cube. Uniform, uniform. Bus, bus. Duck, duck. Huge, huge.
Good. Let's do it again and check.
Exercise 3. Listen, say, and match.
Are you ready? Let's practice first. O says, ooh, food, food.
O says, ooh, food, food.
O says, book, book.
O says, book, book.
Food, food.
Food, food.
Book, book.
Book, book.
Boot, boot.
Boot, boot.
Foot, foot.
Foot, foot.
Moon, moon.
Moon, moon.
Cook, cook.
Cook, cook.
Food, moon, boot.
Food, moon, boot.
Foot, book, cook.
Foot, book, cook.
Good. Let's check.
Exercise 4. Read and number. Then listen and check.
Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Arms, arms.
Arms, arms.
Number 2. Trunks, trunks.
Trunks, trunks.
Number 3. Noses, noses.
Noses, noses.
Now read and number. Hippos, elephants, crocodiles, dresses, snakes, faces. Now listen and check.
Hippos, hippos. Number 1. Elephants, elephants. Number 2.
Crocodiles, crocodiles. Number 1.
Dresses, dresses. Number 3. Snakes, snakes. Number 1.
Faces, faces. Number 3.
Good. Let's check.
Fun time. Exercise 5. Phonics race. Say and mime words in pairs. Use the letters O, OU, EA, U, UE, OO.
Are you ready? Say and mime as many words as you can.
OE says rose.
Well done. OE says rose.
O says hot.
That's right. O says hot.
We have more words.
EA says meat.
EA says feather. And UE says
Tube.
OO says boot.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.